Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome you all again in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. Dear students, as you know that this is virtual class for class second year student, subject computer science, and teacher name Imran Ahmed. Dear students, as you know that in the previous lecture, we were discussing about the relational operator and the logical operator. So just simply introduction of relational operator, it is used to compare the two values, two expressions, two conditions, two expressions, and the purpose of the logical operator is to join the two or more than two conditions to make a compound conditions. So this one is the logical operator. There are three kinds of logical operator are used: and, or, and not. The symbol of and operator is double ampersand. The symbol of or operator is double pipe sign, and the symbol of not operator is sign of exclamation mark. Today is our topic is about the ternary operator, which is question mark and full colon. Keep in mind, whenever you will see in any place in the C++ question mark and the full colon, you must understand. So this one is called the conditional operator, or you can say this one is ternary operator. Watch over here the definition of ternary operator. The question mark full colon operator is known as ternary or conditional operator. It returns one of two values depending on the result of a condition. Therefore, it is also known as conditional operator. There should be an condition is present. If the condition is true, so it will solve the true part. If the condition become false, so it will execute the false block or false part. You can say that this is the replace of if else statement, which you have already studied in class 10. If else statement. So we will discuss the if else statement over here in the next chapter very detailed. So for here you must understand the ternary operator is the condition. Already you have studied the conditional operator in class 10th as well. Therefore, it is also known as conditional operator. It is the very useful in situation where the programmer needs to choose one of two options depending on a single condition. So there should be a single condition is present and you want to select the one option, one place. So ternary operator or conditional operator you can use over there. Its general form. Watch over here, its general form should be like this. First, there should be a condition. After the condition, there is a question mark. After the condition, there is a question mark. After the question mark, there is expression 1. After the expression mark, there will be full colon. And after the full colon, there will be expression 2. There should be expression 2. Now over here, if this condition, to understand this general form, if this expression 1 and expression 2 depends upon this condition, if the condition 1, a little bit I want to make this one more clear, zoom in. I think now it should be visible to all of you. The general form, now this expression 1 and expression 2 depends on this condition. If the condition becomes false, then it will execute the expression 2. If the condition becomes true, then it will execute the expression 1. So expression 1 and expression 2 depends on this condition. If the condition becomes true, it will execute this expression. It will left this expression to in case of true case. If the condition becomes false, then what happened? If this condition becomes false, then it will not check the expression 1. It will execute directly the expression 2. So these two expressions are depend on the condition. The condition is evaluated. If it is true, then expression 1 is evaluated, otherwise expression 2 is evaluated. The following is an example how you will use in your program. Okay, after this I will use the IDE. In the previous lecture, due to the Windows problem, I uninstalled the C++. Now again I install the C++, so I will show you the IDE again, and we will solve the ternary operator or conditional operator, and we will use to solve this expression. X is greater than Y, question mark, x plus y, otherwise x minus y. What should be the result? So if this condition becomes true, what happened? So it will solve x plus y. It will not solve the x minus y. If this condition becomes false, then what happened? It will not solve the first part, this x plus y. It will not solve. It will solve only x minus y. When this code is executed, the condition x is greater than y is evaluated. If the result is true, then value x plus y is evaluated. Check over here, the condition is true, then x plus y is evaluated. If otherwise means else, in if else case, else, if the condition becomes false, then what happened? It will execute the x minus y. The following is an example of using ternary operator. How can I use this ternary operator in my program? So we will use like this expression. K is equal to, let's say K is a variable, X is variable, Y is variable. Then what happened to this one? K is equal to X greater than Y, question mark. So X plus Y, otherwise means full colon X minus Y. They are using this expression with the help of programming example. iostream.h, watch over here, hash include, this is the starting header files of C++. Hash include iostream.h, hash include canio.h, void main int x, y, k. X having the value, they give the constant value in their program. It means that they are not using the cin statement, they are using the constant value, they are using the assignment operator. It means that 15 is assigned to x and 10 is assigned to y. So check the condition, what happened. Over here, this expression k is equal to x is greater than y, question mark, what happened? X plus y, otherwise full colon x minus y. So what happened? What will be the result of this expression? The value of x is 15. The value of y is 10. 15 is greater than 10. Condition is true. So what happened with the true case? So it will execute this part. So it will let this part. It will not execute x minus y. It will only execute x plus y. Now 25, sorry, 25 will be assigned to k. Why 25? Because the value of x is 15 and the value of y is 10. 15 plus 10 is 25, so they are assigning the 25 to k. See out the value of k is, watch over here, this is the message. The value within double inverted commas, if anything is written, they are called the message except the escape sequence character. What are the escape sequence characters? Backslash n, backslash t, they are the escape sequence character, and also we are using the escape sequence character in the output message or in the any message. But over here they write the single k without any double inverted commas, without any commas. So it means that over here cout statement will display the value of k. Now the value of k is 25. After the each cout statement, they're using the endl and get ch and end of program. So watch over here. This result will be appear on your screen. The value of k is 25. Now we will, with the minor change in this program, I will solve the same example in the C++ to show you, but I will not use the constant input. I will not use the design time input. I will use the runtime input. How I will use the runtime input, I will show you in the example as well. So now I am going to open the C++ IDE. Watch over here, Turbo C++. It will take little time because launching the C++ having a few problems. Okay, first of all, start from the new. Already new is opened, so no need to open the more than one ID or more than one work area. Hash include iostream.h. This is the header file. For what purpose? C in statement or C out statement. This header file is used for C in statement or C out statement. Next, hash include conio.h. Conio.h means console input output dot header. Next, void main. Void is highlighted. Why void is highlighted? Because it is a reserved word, and reserved word always be highlighted. How many variable they use? Int, let's say int x, y, and k. They use x, y, and k in the program. Clear screen. Now C in x, they use in the example, they use constant values x, they give the x 15, but I will use the runtime values when I will execute the program. C in x, again C in y. I can also use the single cin statement for the x and y as well. C out, k is equal to, there was condition x is less than y. I think there was x is greater. Okay, no problem. Any relational operator you can use over here. Watch over here. In the previous lecture, I told you the relational operators are very, very important. In case of condition, I want to use a less than. X is less than y. No need to give the space. Just for showing you the result, I am using this one. Then question mark. Then what happened? X plus y, then full colon, then x minus y. So this expression is depend on the values of x and y. Any value I will give you the give the x plus y. So we will check. C out in the double inverted commas enclosed, you can write the any message value of k is equal to, watch over here, k, and at the last they use the end L manipulator. So no need to use the end L manipulator because there is no statement, there is no C out statement after this statement. You can use at the start, but you can skip at the end last C out statement as well. Depend on the program situation. What is the situation of your program? Get ch, and now execute this program. Run. You can also use the control F9. Watch over here, there is a few error in the program. Unknown preprocessor directive include. Watch over here, the spelling of includes or INCLUDE. INCLUDE. So now you can execute and check how many errors are still remaining. There are no error. Watch, your cursor is blinking at the output screen. It is asking for the value of x. Let's say value of x is 15. Value of y is 10. Now this x is 15, y is 10. Check the condition. What is the result? 5. Why the 5? Because if x is less than x is 15 is less than y, condition is false. When the condition is false, this expression is solved. Now I want to execute this one again. 6 and 9 again. Now x is less than y, 9 plus 6. Now it is executing the plus a portion of the program. Why executing the plus portion of program? Because it is showing that x value was 6 and y value was 9. 6 is less than 9, condition is true, so it executes that portion. For making the output little bit more meaningful, you can write the message over here, enter \n. Now I am using to going to the \n, enter the value of x equal, this is the message. It will ask when I will execute this statement. Watch your, when I will execute this program, now it will only ask for the value of x, not y. Why? Because I didn't write any cout statement for the y. So after this, after the reading the value of x, I will write the cout statement again, cout \n, enter the value of y, enter the value of y. Now in this case, what happened? Check, enter the value of x. For example, this message, before this program there was no message on the screen. Now it's showing the, let's say 50, value of x is 50, value of y, let's say 30. So x is less than y, condition is false or true. Check in the, and that condition what you have done in the 30. 20 is the result. Why 20 is the result? Because in the condition value of x is 50 is less than 30, condition is false and it was going to execute. So this is the relational, sorry, this is the conditional operator or the ternary operator. So keep in mind, C++ is same as C language, mostly topics are same, and the maths is directly proportional to the any computer language. So all of you must keep in mind how to solve the program, and this will be, you can do C++ with the help of your practice. If you have the practice of C++, then you can attempt the program easily. If you don't have the practice, on that time when I was giving the lecture, you will say this is very easy, but when you will perform the C++ at your computer, you will feel that it will make the problem for you. So practice makes a man perfect. Inshallah, from the tomorrow or the next lecture, we will start the next topic, which is very why I am focusing on this kind of topics, because this chapter is the basics. I will use all of these things in this chapter. I will use all of these topics of this chapter in the coming chapters. I will show you, I will explain you one by one over there that this topic we will study in the chapter number 3. This topic we will study in the chapter number 3. This topic. So all of these things are used in of chapter 3 is used in the coming chapter. So inshallah, we will perform the next topic one by one again. It is asking for the save, so you can save this one with the any name. Just I will use this one. Okay, the overwrite there is already present for with this name, so change the name. Let's say just no name. Okay, there is from here quit and check the next topic. What is the next topic? If it is short topic, we will discuss, but if it is long topic, we will discuss in the tomorrow lecture. This one was the example we have already solved. They give us another example, x3 having the x value 3 and y 10. So 3 is greater than 10, condition is false. What happened? Watch over here. Control comes to the over here. It will not execute the x is greater than y. It will execute this one as well. Okay, next topic is unary operator, binary and ternary operators. This is a little bit lengthy topic. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss this topic again. Tomorrow this we will discuss this topic: unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. Till take care of yourself. Pray for me. Pray for all Muslim. Allah Hafiz.